The Passport Mela today is organized jointly by the Passport Office Margaon along with the Office of Deputy Collector Salsit. And since last 2 days, the Office of Deputy Collector the staff has worked to getting the helping the people in getting online registration. And we are very happy that there's a very good response of more than 200 registrations. Today, whoever are having a ARN number are going to come over here, and all the formalities are going to be completed. The officials of the passport office, Panjim, are camping over here. And this is an endeavor to help the public who are otherwise facing a lot of hardship to travel from here to Panjim. And this is going to benefit the public very much. And we are going to take up with the government to hold such camps frequently in future.